In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a video to a Flodesk email. Adding a video to an email can be a useful way to make your content more engaging. For example, you might want to include a customer testimonial, an informational video, or other video content that supports the message you're sending to your subscribers. Flodesk lets you add a video using a shareable link from platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're on the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, click on Emails. This will take you to the list of emails currently available in your account. From the email list, choose the email where you want to add your video. Once you select it, you'll be taken into the email design editor. Inside the editor, scroll down until you reach the section where you want the video to appear. For example, you might want to place a testimonial video underneath a section of text. Once you've found the right location, hover over that area until you see the plus icon. Click on the plus icon to open the content menu. From the menu that appears, select Video. A video thumbnail area will then be added to your email. To connect your video, you'll need a shareable link. This can be a YouTube link or a Vimeo link, as long as the video has a public sharing option available. Open the platform where your video is hosted and locate the video you want to use. Select the Share option and copy the provided link. Then return to Flodesk and paste that link into the video field on the right side of the editor. Once you paste the link, Flodesk should automatically load the video thumbnail into your email. You can then adjust how the thumbnail looks. For example, you can zoom in and reposition the image to get the framing you want. You can also add an overlay effect to the thumbnail. From the available options, you can change the overlay color and adjust the appearance of the video preview to better match your email design. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're using a video hosted by someone else, the link depends on that video remaining available. If the video is deleted or becomes unavailable, the link in your email may no longer work. Also, the exact appearance of Flodesk may vary depending on the version or interface you're using, so some buttons, menus, or editing options may look slightly different. So, to recap, open Emails, choose your email, use the plus icon to add a video block, paste in your shareable YouTube or Vimeo link, and then adjust the thumbnail and overlay as needed. And that's how you can add a video to a Flodesk email.